Clicky clacky, clicky clacky.
Hi. We're here for your floor drain.
Yep, come on down. It's done. I don't know if it's a floor drain or a sink drain.
Okay, we'll take a peek.
I'm actually helping from the other one, so.
Alright. Yeah, we were told it was a floor drain. But we'll look at it. It's at the drive-thru, right?
At the drive-thru, yep.
It's that one under there.
Okay. Just work around them as best you can now. Work around them.
Bump her, but I need to put this there for a second. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, I'll take that in a second. Actually, yeah, give that to me. Look around up there and see where you can find me the closest outlet.
Glove me. Scalpel.
Did you say nail polish?
I said scalpel.
Oh. This is nail polish. I was like, please use nail polish to do this. Okay.
I do. I need nail polish to do this.
For what?
I don't know. The smell? Plug it in. Go when you are.
I think I'm too short for this.
Try harder. Or ask the nice lady behind you.
I got it.
Okay. I get in the most awkward positions to snake drains, I swear. It smells lovely. It smells like sour milk. Alright, this is what I want you to do. See the trough drain at that end?
Where?
I don't know, I can't see where it is.
Yes, I see it.
Okay, you're gonna squeeze the water handle till I tell you to stop.
Yep.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too, honey.
How many rapes was he charged with?
Probably too many to count.
Closer than employees, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow.
What? Yeah, go ahead. you guys can use that drain now.
Perfect, thank you.
Well, I'm trying to get everything up and taken care of, and you're over here handing me gloves at the same.
Well,
Okay,
I was the one stuck under the
you can you can get out of your hole now. Should we leave this here or put it back?
Take this. I'm gonna ask him when he comes
I'll
back
go
up.
out
Oh, I
and
got
film the.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
You want me to just sit in the chair with that?
Yep.
Okay. Oh gosh. Okay guys, another successful floor drain at the Dunkin'. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment,